What the f are you doing here? And he didn't do that. Beautiful office for the day, and I think it's going to be our new thing for a while. I think every single day from now on, I'm going to find a hashtag that's cool.
Choose that rock.
Office for the day. Instead of going to some 2x2 or 4x4, we're going to go and see a spot in Cape Town where we can hang out and just create our office. We're mobile, the world's mobile. We have to have critical mass to be able to have our product in front of somebody before they accept our product in that environment. Hold on, I think we've got a problem. I think it's push-up time. Right now, our secretary has come all the way from Cape Town to join us just to bring us coffee. You've got to be impressed with this. If you think about it, there is absolutely no need for them to understand the back-end technology.
For those of you that are new to our channel, I just would like to sort of introduce you to the type of content that we have that lives with Travelvids. We started off this channel 2.5 years ago as a vlog where Darren and I documented the process of starting a business. That morphed into things to do in Cape Town, which is basically vlogging all the experiences and activities that are available in Cape Town, and that is why you'll see so much content about what you can do in Cape Town. After that, we started heading more into the educational front, which is where we are now, where the three of those things meet together. And the reason you're seeing us in so many meetings at the moment again is because we're currently in the process of developing a brand new product for the travel industry, which we think will revolutionize the way people make videos, see videos, and share videos. So that is why we're meeting. That is why we're going to find a new space to continue this conversation with ourselves until we're ready to share it with you as soon as possible. As if you're showing the penguin experience, you might want like a shot of Simonstown or something.
So is this something, I mean, you're walking along here now, you're looking at that hill thing.
This walk is definitely part of the experience.
It's one shot, it's a millisecond one shot worth. Is it worth it? I think this is a shot, because for everybody it's about where you arrive and where you leave.
Alright guys, today we will be looking at a video by Dorian Karen. Is that right? Checking the facts, checking the facts. Video by Dorian Karen. Thailand Travel Video 2018. Thought it was an appropriate video because first of all, we thought we had done a video on Thailand, but it was actually Vietnam. So to make up for that, this is Thailand.
Would you ever ride away with me? Would you ever take a chance with me? Would you ever take a leap with me? Would you ever change your frequency?
And in the spirit of a Thailand video, I'm going to kick my shoes off and go talk about this from the rock over there. risk of sounding like every other video, this is a great travel video. No, it really is. I think I'm just going to quickly point out the things that make it good. First of all, it gets through to the point quickly. Yes, we've got some aeroplane shots, but we get straight to being in Thailand, and not just arriving in Thailand, but straight into a tour, straight into being in the streets, seeing the food, getting into activities, also seeing the location you were staying at. So the variety of shots, it just keeps going and going and going, and I think it keeps the video very engaging. However, at the same time, I can say that some of the scenes were probably slightly too long. In other words, they dragged on for too long. For example, the underwater scenes. The shots are beautiful, but as a viewer who doesn't know you as a person, you kind of go, okay, I get the idea. You're diving underwater and you're seeing tropical fish. We know what tropical fish look like. So in the context of getting to the next scene again, you can almost go a little bit faster, and the difference is it'll bring your video from like a 3.5 minute video down to say a 2-minute video, and that 1 minute difference can be the difference of a highly engaging video where somebody will watch it to the end, or a video where somebody goes, that was really cool, but starts getting distracted at halfway through and then sort of goes for the next video. And remember, that's how people are nowadays. Their distraction levels come so quickly. So remember, if you want to keep that video highly engaging, get to the next scene quickly, show the highlights only. With that being said, I'd just like to sort of address a different topic when it comes to making travel videos. You need to think about who you're making this video for. Now, if this Dorian person, if you made this video for yourself, for your own personal memories, you can do whatever you like, and it's perfect because you're trying to sort of visualize and reconnect with the memories that you had. So it's perfect in that regard. If you're making it as an influencer, say for a business to promote Thailand, then what I said earlier applies. You need to get through it faster because you're advertising the place. And second of all, if you're doing it for sort of a professional sort of level, or you're looking for attention from people who are looking for influencers, is basically what I'm saying, then you also might want to tell people where you are. So it's not just that you were in Bangkok, for example, or at Phuket or wherever it is. It's that you were actually at this hotel, at this beach, at this shrine, at this temple. So people can go, oh, I want to go there too. So just remember, maybe you want to talk to camera, get a few extra sound bites in there, add a little bit of sound effects. But otherwise, great video. I'm at the beach and I'm loving life. You're watching Travelvids.tv and my name is Dean Parman. Welcome to Boulders Beach. I look forward to also bringing you lots more review videos to showcase people's work that is not getting seen. The video I showed you today has only got a handful of views. The person only has 4 subscribers. It's a great video. That is a creator that deserves the credit.